In this review, if you've got a cat, you're probably used to finding hair on your clothes, furniture, and floors. While this is hard to avoid with indoor cats, brushing your pet regularly can reduce shedding and help keep your house clean. We searched for cat brushes that are easy to handle, effective, and are simple to clean of hair once you're done brushing your cat. We tested multiple models to find options that offer a range of bristle designs and features. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. The Pets Ever Present Top 5 Best Cat Grooming Brush. Let's get started. Number 5. YOUMI Cat Brush for Shedding and Grooming. If you are searching for a cat grooming brush, the YOUMI Cat Brush for Shedding and Grooming review on our list is ideal for you. 2-in-1 grooming tool, plastic claw comb brushes out tangled hairs, massages skin. Stainless steel brush removes tangled hair, dander, and residual dirt gently. Safety material, gentle for your pet's skin, and never scratch your fur friend. This is also conducive to promoting the blood circulation and metabolism of pets and keeping them healthy. Easy to operate with one hand, comfortable to hold, anti-wrist fatigue. Even grooming your pet for a long time, let the cats and dogs relax and enjoy. Light and small, the two parts can be combined into a small one, easy to put it in your pocket or backpack. You can engage in intimate behaviors with your pet to enhance feelings anytime and anywhere. Number 4. Mars Coat King Bristle Cat Hair Brush. The next product we have got on our list is the Mars Coat King Bristle Cat Hair Brush. De-shedding just got easier with this cat grooming brush that is the ultimate tool for raking shaggy, dead, and loose cat and kitten hair. Clear out tangles and mats from your cat's coat, whether she is a small or large breed, with this grooming cat brush tool that features a wide wooden handle for a better grip. Made with a durable and high-quality wooden handle for an easy grip, this cat brush with 3/4 inch bristles is perfect for de-shedding and thinning your cat's furry coat. Stop pulling out your pet's hair and make the grooming experience more enjoyable with this pet grooming tool, perfect for cats and kittens with shaggy undercoats. Number 3. Catit Senses 2.0 Self-Groomer Cat Brush. If you're looking for a cat brush with Catit Senses 2.0 Self-Groomer Cat Brush. Cat self-grooming wall brush that helps remove and collect loose cat hair. This can be used as a cat self-groomer wall corner, easy to mount on either a flat wall or corner surfaces, with strips or screws. Easy to disassemble the cat brush and clean by hand washing. Made of BPA-free materials. Catit Senses 2.0 is a product line developed to activate your cat's senses. The cat toys encourage your cat to use sight, smell, taste, touch and hearing to stimulate their natural instincts indoors. Number 2. Seal Moon Cat Brush. More than 4,500 5-star reviews praise the Seal Moon Cat Brush for its portability. With premium silicone material, the Seal Moon Cat Grooming Brush is ultra-soft, safe, comfortable and durable. It will never scratch your pet's skin and they will love how it feels and enjoy grooming. Remove up to 90% of shedding hair from your cat within minutes. Simply comb gently over your cat's coat. Within seconds you will have a fistful of fur. And after 5 minutes you will be amazed at just how much loose hair has been removed. Not like other brush, you could even rinse it thoroughly with water to remove all the hair from the brush simply when you're done brushing your cat. And then it will get ready for the next time use. The hand grip would perfectly fit into your hands and fingers and avoid slipping when using. This compact cat brush is very comfortable to hold and use. Adding some water on the surface of the brush could help attract more hair. Number 1. Hertzco Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. The Hertzco Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush are the best cat grooming brush you can buy this year. The best overall cat brush is the Hertzco Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Its bristles are curved wires that are long enough to get beneath your cat's top coat, but flexible enough that it won't scratch your cat's skin. It's excellent for removing dander, preventing matting, removing loose hair, and keeping your cat's coat as well maintained as possible. When you brush through your cat's coat, you'll be astonished by how much hair you pick up in just a few minutes. It's like a massage for your pet. Our brush was created to gently remove stubborn fur without scratching your pet's skin. Our self-cleaning slicker brush grooms and massages for a healthy coat. It increases blood circulation and leaves your pet's coat soft and shiny. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.